अभिमान संस्कृतीचा, ध्यास परिवर्तनाचा. वर्तमानातील समस्यांचा परखड वेध घेण्यासाठी पहा फक्त संकल्प न्यूज मराठी.
नमस्कार, मी ईशा. आपण पाहताय संकल्प न्यूज मराठी. राज्यसभेत 127वे घटनादुरुस्ती विधेयक चर्चेसाठी आले असताना या विधेयकावरील श्रीमंत छत्रपती संभाजीराजे यांचे मत ऐकण्याची इच्छा सर्व खासदारांनी व्यक्त केली व त्यानुसार त्यांनी सभागृहात विधेयकावर आपले मत मांडले आहे. पाहूयात यावेळी बोलताना ते नेमके काय म्हणालेत.
In India, in Kolhapur state for SC, ST, OBC. Don't I deserve 2 minutes to speak,
your request was brought here. It has been given to the chairman. The chairman has not allowed it.
It is unjustifiable, sir.
I cannot allow it till the honorable chairman allows it. We will commence. Fair enough. Though I'm putting it on record. Listen to me. Sanjay ji, आप मेरी बात सुनेंगे. I am allowing him, though मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं वही चीज कह रहा हूँ संजय जी मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए. अरे मैं आप जो कह रहे हैं वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट डिस्प्यूटिंग यू. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि क्योंकि माननीय चेयरमैन ने अलाउ नहीं किया है, he'll be feeling that there are members who would like to listen to him. I'm allowing him 2 minutes to speak. Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Please brief 2 minutes. It was not allowed. You're still allowing it.
2 minutes. Yeah. Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir. I sincerely thank the government that they've taken the necessary steps to restore the power of the states by bringing a suitable amendment. I remember with pride, it was my great-grandfather, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, who gave the first reservations in India in Kolhapur state for SC, ST and OBC for 50% reservation. And it was imbibed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in the constitution. I'll be very to the point, sir, across parties. While I welcome a move of restoring the powers back to the state, the path ahead for granting reservations to Marathas and various communities that are categorized as SCBC is not easy, and it's a very tough path, sir. A few concerns come to my mind. For example, if the state declares the Maratha or any other communities as SCBC, but at the same time the 50% quota is already consumed by the state. It also says in Indira Sani judgment, you cannot exceed about 50% unless the state has extraordinary situation like for far-flung corners and the remote areas. Sir, I have 2 suggestions if we have to solve this problem. The first is, under exceptional conditions and circumstances, the state shall refer the classification done to the central government to increase the limit to 50% so it can be enjoyed by SCBC class at large across India, sir. My second and very important suggestion, sir, which I'll finish in 10 seconds. As certain states may not have a far-flung and remote areas, that is considered as an extraordinary situation in Indira Sani judgment to cross 50%, yet some of the population may be left out of the mainstream because of exceptional reasons. The state should be allowed to consider this criteria as extraordinary, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Number 3 by Shri Sambhaji Chhatrapati. Shri Sambhaji Chhatrapati, are you moving?
No, sir, I'm not moving, but just by submission.
You're not moving?
No, I'm not moving, sir. I'm supporting the bill also. Without insisting on division of votes, I still submit that the states may refer to the central government to increase 50% limit under exceptional circumstances, and that far-flung and remote areas should not only be the criteria for an extra situation in the state. Thank you.
Number 4.